Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. So this is a good idea if you've recently completed a course, whether it's professional or not, you can add those certificates to your LinkedIn profile to make yourself look more credible. So to do that, you want to navigate to LinkedIn, and then at the top where it says me, you're going to click on view profile. So from there, under your name, you should see a bit that says add section. So I'm going to click on there. And this is where you can add different things to your profile. So you should see a sentence that says add licenses and certifications. So I'm going to click on that. And here, this is where you want to fill out the details of your certification. So I've recently done a digital marketing certification. So I'm going to add that. And make sure I spelt it right. And if it's a regulated body, it might come up and you can click on it. But if not, you can still just type it in. So I got this from Udemy. And you can add in dates if you want to. And if it comes with like an ID or a credential URL, you can add that in. But if not, that's okay. So you can add in the skills that you learned with this. So mine was digital marketing. And another one. So I'm going to put in social media marketing. Okay. And you can also add media. So if you've got like a picture or the actual digital certificate, you can add that here. So I'm going to add mine. You can add it with a link, an image, or add a document, which is what I'm going to do. So let me find this. So here's my digital marketing certification. So I'm going to add that media. So again, it asks you for a title. And I'm going to add in just digital marketing certification. Again, you can put in a description if you want to, but don't worry about that if you don't want to. Then click on save. And when you're happy, you click on save. So that certificate will be added to your profile. So let's have a look. So there we go. So it's now been added to my licenses and certifications area. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.